Pause this video and give this problem a try, and then when you have an answer, resume the video to check if you got the answer correct. This problem reads, at constant temperature, a change in volume will not affect the moles of substance present in which of the following. So this is a Le Chatelier principle question, and to do this, we need to know that if we increase the volume, the reaction is going to shift to the side with more moles of gas, and then if you decrease the volume, the reaction shifts to the side with fewer moles of gas. Well, so if a change in volume will not affect the moles of the substance present if there's equal moles of gas on both sides. So the answer would be A. Look, you have 2 moles of gas on the left and there's 2 on the right. In B, there's 2 on the left and 1 on the right. In C, there's 1 on the left, 2 on the right. And then in D, there's 4 on the left and 2 on the right. Let's say the question asks us for which way does the reaction shift if there was an increase in volume. Well, we know that if you increase the volume, then the reaction will shift to the side with more moles of gas. An easy way to remember this is this thing. Now there's more space, so it's going to go to the side with more gas. Well, if you increase the volume, there's no shift in A because there are equal moles of gas on both sides. In B, it'll shift to the left because there's more gas on the left. In C, it'll shift to the right. And then in D, it'll shift to the left. If you're taking AP Chemistry and you just need that extra boost to get over the hump, or you need a lot of help catching up in the class, then you need to check out the resources at apchemistrytutor.com. There you'll find amazing resources, free study tips, and guides that will help you with the class. Check it out. I think you'll find it to be very helpful.